yeah, you know, I was just going for acne, but make it cute. And suddenly I see myself on the screen and I'm like, heart-shaped boils. Kawaii. Okay, so please ignore the state of my face. I've had terrible maskne for a long time on top of my already chronic cystic acne. I got something in the mail that absolutely must be reviewed immediately. This is a package containing a prototype of a really cool Ita-bag that I have pre-ordered that my friend designed. I've probably talked about Jenny before, either on Instagram or Facebook or wherever else I am posting, but I don't think I've specifically mentioned her here on YouTube yet. So my friend Jenny is the creator of this amazing brand called Sugar Mint Castle, formerly known as Sugar Clay Cafe, and I'm sure you've seen her booth around at cons, and she is an incredible accessory designer and creator. She makes berets, capelets, lots and lots of little sugary, sweet clay confections that you can wear. She makes all types of amazing stuff, and due to the COVID pandemic, she hasn't been able to exhibit at conventions like she usually would. So because I am completely in love with her work, I placed a pre-order for one of her prototype Ita-bags that she has designed and been posting about lately, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited to get this. So I won't even wait until my face is healed up enough to put on foundation for this. I need to review this right now because right now she has got a Kickstarter going, and the bag and other items within this package are all available through the Kickstarter right now. Now, as of when I'm filming, she has just launched the Kickstarter and the initial fundraising goal has not been met yet, so I wanted to post this review with plenty of time so that if you, viewer, want to get in on it, you can help kickstart this bag. I'm doing this for you, Jenny. I'm so sorry I'm not prettier for this review. So I bought the bag. The bag looked amazing based on the prototype photos. It's supposed to be pretty big, and I'm going to test it out with my iPad and work laptop so that we can see exactly how much this baby fits. And because I was so early to the game, Jenny also told me that she has upgraded what I had ordered to be the deluxe package. So what you'll see in here is not just the bag, but also all the cool extras and goodies that you can order through this Kickstarter. If you're a fan of Boba, if you're a fan of sweets, if you love collecting pins and stuff like me, you're definitely gonna want to watch the rest of this video. Just ignore my face. Okay, without further ado, let's crack this baby open. I can already tell you it's very well packaged. Got a little custom note from Jenny. Thank you. Right off the bat, this thing is massive, and you can see slightly through the packaging the little Boba face. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh. Smells a bit like a new car smell, to be honest, but I'm sure that will go away. Oh my god. Look at how cute! Oh! At a glance, this is the bag. I can tell it's got a bunch of stuff loaded up into it. So here you've got this very massive window, larger than my face. Literally larger than my face. Little bobas are printed on the outside here, and the face is printed on the outside of the clear window. I've got this little straw tab, super cute. On the sides you can see the spots where you can attach this to make it a handbag. On the back it's got this hidden pocket for when it's being worn as a backpack. I can fit my whole hand in there. Take notes, Angelic Pretty, this is how you construct a bag. And over here is where you would link up the backpack. You can also see the brand has been embossed on the back of the bag. And these little star zipper pulls are so adorable. What an incredible detail to include on this. So let's open her up. I just discovered some pockets on the outside of the bag too. So it's got a pocket here and one over here. This side pocket looks like the perfect place to put my Clipper card once I'm back to commuting. For those not in the Bay Area, the Clipper card's basically our prepaid Metro card. All right, so taking a look inside, so first let's take out the lovely goodies that came with this bag, because the first impression that I want to immediately show you is look at this lining. This lining is so cute. cute! It's got all the little Bobas with their little wings. All of the Boba pins that you can get for this design were also drawn and created by Jenny. So nice to have that artwork printed on the inside on the lining. That's such a small detail that, you know, most companies probably wouldn't think to make, but I love it. So inside we've got this padded laptop sleeve, which I'm definitely going to need. And on the other side, we've got a zipper pocket, little matching gold, which is super cute. And we've got some littler pockets for, I believe, cell phones, lip balms, whatever you want at easy access. Ah, you can fit a lot in me. Yeah, so the bag has plenty of room. And that's not even including the outer front. So I was wondering where the different colored inserts were for the different flavors of boba, because I know that I ordered the multi-pack of that, and it turns out, to save on space I would assume, they were stored in the actual window compartment. This is what the bag looks like without any inserts. And the default is this milk tea insert, which looks like this. Very easy to take this out, put whatever pins you want on it, and then put it back in. But also, you got your taro milk tea, you got your Thai iced tea. I don't even know what kind of boba would be minty, but I think it's really cute. And of course, like strawberry. So let's take a look at what these other inserts look like inside the bag. Thai iced tea, totally classic. Not sure how it'll go with the rest of my wardrobe, so I might not use this one as much, but I really, really love the warmth of the color. Taro! Oh, my favorite flavor. It's so cute. Well, I've never seen a blue boba drink before, but I sure want to drink one now. The strawberry pink is so perfect. This is probably going to be the one I use the most because I have so much pink in my wardrobe, in addition to like black and red. So the bag comes with a bunch of straps. I believe this long one is going to be useful for making this a crossbody bag, which is how I tend to like to wear my bags. And I can tell that it can be adjusted lengthwise. Oh yeah, plenty of room for my big broad shoulders. And then here we have what are undoubtedly the shoulder straps for when you want it to be a backpack. But for now, I think I'm just gonna go with the crossbody option. Aha, there we go. All right, so the extras that came with this bag are also really cool. Here we have a special branded boba straw that's reusable. I'm super excited about this because living in the Bay Area, everybody is super anti-plastic straw. Ooh, didn't realize it would come with a regular metal straw, but look at this baby. She is beautiful. Also comes with a straw cleaner that is super necessary. Jenny knows me so well. She has two options for the straw. One is I heart boba, and the other one just says suck it. This is totally my sense of humor. I am absolutely gonna take this with me when I go get boba next. Don't know when that'll be because I never get out of the house nowadays, but I'm really looking forward to using this, especially when I'm at like meetups and want to be cute and aesthetic, but also drinking boba. Suck it! Oh, I just think this is so adorable. Wow. Personally, I'm not a fan of the jellies that come in boba. I find their texture to be a little weird while I'm trying to drink. That doesn't mean I'm not completely in love with this. Look at the little faux ice cubes and the little jelly drinks. This is a keychain, and I am definitely going to put this on the bag somewhere. And it's strawberry! As seen on the inner lining, here is one of the little angelic bobas that Jenny illustrated. This little guy is just one of many pins that you can get as part of the Kickstarter. I don't know how well it's showing up on camera, but the white parts are actually shimmery and glittery, and the metallic edge is gold, which is really cute. And the wings are minty. Look at this little face! Oh. The back looks like this. It's got the Sugar Mint Castle brand right there. Nice high quality pin back. Okay, let's pop it inside. Very excited to put all of the enamel pins that I've been collecting and haven't had an Ita-bag for in this Ita-bag. Oh, I don't think I mentioned this before, but there is also a space for hanging charms within the window pocket, so that's very cool. Here's the board, little enamel pin. Looks like it went in just fine. Ta-da! Oh, it's Bobaception. And I also got all these adorable little Boba angel stickers. This one has a whipped cream hat. This one's got sakura blossoms. This one here is the classic, as seen on my beautiful pin right here. We've got the Thai tea, and the Tara one also has a swirly whipped cream. And I just gotta say, this packaging, for all those little odds and ends, super adorable. I guess the next step is to see how much stuff will actually fit in this bag. So here I have the 2 devices that I need to take with me the most places most often. Here is my work laptop, and here is my iPad Pro. And I take these with me pretty much everywhere, at least as far as when I'm commuting, and when I feel inspired, I really need to sketch things, and that's why I take this with me a lot of places. Let's see today if this bag will completely replace all of my other bags. Oh my gosh. Is this really gonna fit? That would be amazing. Okay, my laptop with its case is a little too big for the sleeve compartment, but it's also slightly too big for the bag. So I probably can't just replace my usual everyday backpack with this. Work's not that cute anyway, so not worried about that. Let's see how the iPad does. This is the larger iPad Pro, and it fits in that little sleeve perfectly. It's like this was designed for that or something. And there you go, it zips. The fact that this can store my iPad Pro is honestly such an awesome thing for me. I'm gonna take this with me to all the cons and all the meetups forevermore. I love that I can swap out the display to have different colors. I feel like I can curate multiple collections of pins and just put them on the different inserts so that as my mood takes me in different places, I can have, you know, like all my nerdy pins on one and all my Lolita pins on another and all my political pins on a third. And that kind of flexibility is really awesome. I think I'll probably end up using these inserts as like display pieces in my house too, just like stick them up on the wall while I'm not using them in here. So that is really awesome. Overall, I gotta say, I have never seen an Ita-bag this functional. My main hobby for most of the Trump administration had been to make angry political pins that said trashy things about him. And I could have really used a bag like this when I was going to protests and handing my pins out. I used my Ita-bags that I had as like kind of a sample case to be like, hi, which design are you interested in? And then I'd pull out a bag which had my selection of things with that slogan. And honestly, having to take it off of my back was such a pain in the butt. But that version that I had did not fit my iPad. It did not fit most of the stuff I needed or could really use at these protests. I really think this would be a great bag for travel. I would love to take this with me to Japan. This print on the front feels very sturdy. I keep like scratching at it with my fingers, and while I can feel the texture, so like I know that there is a printed thing here, it's not budging. Even with my nails like scratching at it, it seems super durable. The stitching is super high quality. The details on this thing, like the darker piping around the edges that matches the Bobas on the front of the printed part. What can I say except I'm in love? So if this has been of interest to you, please, please, please check out the description for the link to the Kickstarter. It would be a dream come true for my friend Jenny to launch this and take her business to the next level. And she is so talented and she's been working so hard on this, and it really shows in the results. This bag is a worthy investment and all the goodies that it comes with are incredible. Obviously, I am a bit biased because Jenny is my friend, but this is 100% honest review. If I felt like there was a problem, I would say something. I know that Jenny can watch this and she can improve on her product. So I hope you trust my opinion, and honestly just trust what you're seeing on the screen. This bag is so high quality, and that quality speaks for itself. I am so excited to have this. I think I'm gonna switch all of my stuff to this bag for my errands. Probably be posting some coordinate photos on Instagram and stuff. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful. Please comment with what your favorite insert is, and if there's another color that you think Jenny should include for the next round of production maybe? I don't know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.